Hello and welcome to our channel LoginHelps. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can sign in on your GTA 5 online on the PC. For that, simply open any browser according to your preferences. For now, I am on my Chrome browser on the PC. On the web address bar, you need to simply type URL GTA 5 online and click on that. After that, you'll be guided to this page where you'll be able to see GTA online. But when you scroll down again, you'll be able to see a lot of the links below. And now you'll be able to see the first link, Grand RP GTA 5. Click on this and then you'll be able to see the registration game account page. If you haven't registered on GTA 5 online account, you can simply enter the credential here, your in-game first name, last name, email. If you want to agree with privacy and handling personal data, simply you need to check mark this and you need to enter the password. Repeat the password and confirm that you are not a robot. Before signing, you need to create your account first of all. So, once you are done with filling up all the credentials on this registration game account page, when you scroll down a bit down, or this one we scroll down, so you need to subtract this, the zoom in page, and now click on registration. If you want to save password, click on save or else click on never. So here it is shown that you have successfully registered your GTA 5 online on the PC. If you don't want to download, then simply you need to click on this cross mark. So now you have already registered, so you can click on start playing also. So in this way you can easily register on your GTA 5 RP Grand account.